to the online computer class. Today we are going to study about the Windows Explorer, and we will do the practical of creating files and folders, storing and restoring files, and searching files. Now let us know about the elements of Windows Explorer. Using Windows Explorer. This is the window of Windows Explorer. Let us see the elements. This button is used to go previous location. By pressing this key, we will go to the previous location. This is the command bar. This shows the current location, means address bar. Type keywords to search for documents. If you want to search any document, type here. Next is close button. This cross button is close button. You can close the window by pressing on cross button. This is the maximize button. When we press this button, you can maximize the window. This is minimize button. You can pin the window on the taskbar. Hide and show preview pane. This button is used to show and hide preview. Next is view option. This is the content area. This part is known as detail pane. And this part is called as navigation pane. Now let us know the steps how to open a Windows Explorer. Just keep your cursor on the start button. This is the start button. Right click of the mouse. Click on open Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer window. If you want to search any file, type the document name or file name here. For example, I will write in this way. You can search the any file and folder. If you want to close it, click on this cross button. Now we will do the practical of how to create a document file. If you want to create a document file, you have to create in MS Word. Now see how you will open the MS Word. Keep your cursor on the start button, press the start button. Then you select all programs. From this menu you have to select Microsoft Office. From here you have to select Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word window will open. This is the blank document. Now start typing. In this way you can create a document. If you want to save it, see the steps how you will save the document file. Click on file menu. This is the file menu. You have to click on this file menu. Sub menu will appear. From this sub menu you have to select save button. When you select the save button, save dialog box will be appear on the screen. If you want to save the file on the desktop, click on desktop. Type the file name here. Suppose I have written here computer hardware. Now you have to click on save button. Now your file is saved with the file name computer hardware. In this way you can create a document file. Students, do you know how to create a folder on the desktop? See the steps how you will create a folder on desktop. Keep the cursor on the empty space of the desktop. Right click the mouse button. A pop-up menu will be appeared. From this pop-up menu you have to select new option. Again the sub pop-up menu will be appeared. From here you have to select folder option. On the desktop new folder is created. Now if you want to rename it, just keep your cursor on the folder. Now click the right button of the mouse. A pop-up menu will be appear on the screen. You have to select rename option. Click on rename option. Keep your cursor here. Use the backspace key to clear it. Now write the file name. It is written hardware. Now the name of the folder is hardware. If you want to create a folder within a folder, how you will open it? Just double click on this folder. Keep your cursor and double click on this folder. Now your folder is open. Again on the empty space you have to click the right button of the mouse. A pop-up menu will be appeared. Again select new option. A sub pop-up menu will be appeared. You have to select folder option. And this is your new folder which is created within a folder. This is your subfolder. Now let us know about the recycle bin. This is the icon of recycle bin. What is the use of recycle bin? If we delete any items, it will be stored in the recycle bin. We will do the practical now. Suppose select this folder and delete it. How you will delete the folder? Select the folder, right click of the mouse and click on delete button. From this pop-up menu we have to select the delete button. It will ask you a question whether you want to delete it, yes or no. Yes, I want to delete. Now your folder is deleted. Where it is present now? It is stored in the recycle bin. How you will see? Just double click on the recycle bin icon. This is your folder which is stored in the recycle bin. If you want to restore on the desktop again, so what you will do? Select this folder, keep your cursor on that folder. From this bar you have to select restore this item. Click on restore this item. Close the recycle bin. It is again restore on the desktop. If you want to search any file and folder on the computer, then what you will do? There is a one shortcut. Just you click on start button. This box is called a search box. ये कौन सा box है? It is a search box. Now you want to search any file, just type the name of the file or program. I will write name of the file any. Now it will show the result. Which file you want to open? Double click on that file, and this is the shortcut way to search any file and folder. With this we come to the end of the chapter. Read the chapter, try to do the practical. In next video we will start the new chapter.